The Abbot of Canterbury. This ballad recounts the story of King John, who reprimands Abbot by giving him a deadline of 3 weeks, and if he does not answer his questions, he will be beheaded. The shepherd of the abbot goes in the disguise and answers all the questions wisely, which were not answered by even the most prudent scholars. Thus, it is obvious that a wise man is not necessarily educated, learned, or scholarly, rather experienced, and would play an important role in one's life.